In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can get your WhatsApp API key. If this does help you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and let's just get into the video.
Quick one, guys. Come to Chrome browser, then search for What's Tool. Once you search for What's Tool, you see the second website. Go ahead and open it. Not the first one, but the second one. So once you open it, guys, you then just need to click on Explore, this one over here. This is more like the What's Tool Business. So this one works for WhatsApp Business. Okay. Same thing applies if you're using the normal WhatsApp. So over here, just click to start a free trial account. Then obviously you need to put in your credit cards because this is a paid service. You can't access it for free. Then after that, you just need to continue. Then you'll be able to get your API key for any WhatsApp you want in the future. Alright, so basically that's it. Thanks for watching.